Hello and welcome to today's session on Sage for Accountants. I'm Alvia, part of the Education and Design team, and will be taking you through the session today. The session is what are the differences between Sage Partner Edition and Sage for Accountants. The key takeaways from today's webinar is to understand what is Sage for Accountants and the differences between Client Management and Partner Edition. So we'll give you a good understanding of its key features and how you could use them. At the end, I'll share some information for further support and training, ensuring that you have the best experience. So what is Sage for Accountants? Accounting has moved beyond data entry and record keeping. It's now about automation, analysis and advice. At Sage, we want to take the hard work away from the manual everyday tasks and elevate the important work that accountants and bookkeepers do, who are able to better serve their clients through things such as pricing consistency, effective management of scope, and delivery of a set of best-in-class services. By introducing active practice management from proposal to profitability, from winning new clients through competitive pricing and seamless, successful onboarding, right through to managing the efficiency and profitability of their practice. We will achieve this through process and system automation to apply actionable insights from capture to compliance and from proposal to profitability. The launch of Sage Client Management, our new application for managing all clients in one place, is the latest proof point on the journey to transforming accounting practices, enabling accountants to manage all of their Sage clients in a single place, regardless of which products or services they deliver. Sage for Accountants provides a unified workflow for accountants and bookkeepers and their small business clients in a single experience centred around a complete view of your clients. This creates a vibrant ecosystem of Sage and partner apps to enable winning new clients, data automation, bookkeeping, payroll, compliance, and advisory services. A set of game-changing client collaboration tools leverage automation to transform this critical relationship. Cloud workflows mean you can take control of MTD, automate data capture to tax submissions, and work in harmony with your clients. Sage can enable and empower accountants and bookkeepers in practice to solve problems with smart solutions delivered via a connected and seamless experience. Today, Sage has a relationship with thousands of accountants in the UK, which in turn gives us access to over 2 million small businesses. For these small businesses to be successful, they need to have a strong business acumen, commercial management, and financial control. Your role is critical to this. Accountants and bookkeepers are the role models for how to run a successful, profitable business while maintaining 100% compliance. Therefore, it is our mission at Sage to place you at the heart of what we do and build intuitive solutions that meet and exceed your needs. Sage for Accountants is how we reinvent how accountants work in partnership with Sage and how they collaborate with Sage and their clients to deliver active end-to-end practice management. With Sage for Accountants, you can manage all your clients in one place and only add and pay for the services you need. Have one simple client list, one-click access to client data, and capture to tax modules to glide through client workflows. Access to support, both self-serve and handheld, and a dedicated practice success manager. Making tax digital support, practice onboarding, and team and client learning. Initially, Sage for Accountants is for accountants and bookkeepers in practice who are either new to Sage or new to Cloud. Existing Partner Edition users will get contacted to explain how and when they'll be upgraded to the new platform to benefit from the brand new and improved experience. Sign up for Sage for Accountants is totally free. Get accounting free for 3 months with your clients and free client management, accounting, payroll, and compliance for your practice. Let's look at the key features in a little more detail. Our approach is based on 5 key areas, from when an accountant or bookkeeper interacts with a client, they can complete each one of them. Win and onboard clients. Don't let opportunity and profit slip away with proposal and engagement letters from Go Proposal. You can access a 1-month free trial. Send professional proposals to secure more business, price consistently and automate engagement letters to close deals on the spot. Manage clients. Organise all your clients in one place, collaborate with your team and access client work in a click so you never miss a deadline or a client opportunity. Get work done for clients. Have one end-to-end workflow and no more manual paper chasing. Auto entry for data capture, accounting, payroll and HR for everyday bookkeeping and reporting, and compliance for final accounts and tax. Keep clients' tax returns and MTD ready. Work on live client information from data capture to tax submission. Let's understand the main differences between Client Management and Partner Edition. We'll be able to understand how Client Management will transform your journey from Partner Edition. Here are some of the differences between Partner Edition and Sage for Accountants. I can sign up to the product invited through a link to the sign-up process. I can organise my clients into folders so that I can easily group related clients together. I can self-serve cloud subscriptions for my practice and my clients at my own pace. I can add, upgrade, downgrade and cancel product subscriptions for my practice and clients. I can earn points every time I make a purchase. The more points I earn, the higher level of discount I'm entitled to. I can earn digital badges and certification for the learning pathways I complete. In Sage for Accountants, you have the ability to data capture to tax workflows, pre-client subscriptions, manage client lists with folders, digital self-serve platform, learning pathways, enriched client records, Accountants Hub, get rewards, and comments and notes. Now let's take a look at the product. In Partner Edition, you'll be able to view your clients all under one dashboard, where you can access clients, filter, and search for clients on the go. You'll be able to manage your users by assigning them to different clients. This platform enables you to integrate from accounting straight through to your tax returns seamlessly. Here, we can access the VAT Centre and Auto Entry feature. We highly recommend you not to try to sign up for Sage for Accountants, as we will be upgrading you from Partner Edition to Sage for Accountants in spring 2022. I have further information after this demonstration. This is a new product tour which guides you step by step on how to manage your clients, view your clients list, view the client details, and opening products. There are 4 steps that you will go through. And you can exit the tour at any time. Alternatively, on the top right corner, you can select View Product Tour, which opens the tour up again. In Sage for Accountants, we have designed an intuitive dashboard that enables you to gain a new experience to help you serve your clients. Here, we can manage clients in one place by selecting the folder view. You can add folders to this list to group your clients. In the list view, you can see your clients alphabetically, or in the folder view, you can see clients when selecting a folder. We've enhanced the filter feature by giving you the option to select from type, product, country, or financial year end. If we select type, we can choose the entity type, individual, company, partnership, sole trader, or charity. In addition, you can add in other filters before applying. Now we can see the entity type for all clients. Creating clients and folders is a new feature in Sage for Accountants, which helps you manage your clients all in one place. We have the ability to group clients in folders, which creates a hierarchy list of all the businesses and individuals that interact with the practice clients and contacts. Once you create a folder, you can create an individual or an organisation. To do this, click New Client Folder and choose whether the client folder is an organisation or individual. An organisation is usually a business that the practice does work for, whereas an individual client can be a client or linked to an organisation. We'll add in the following: the folder name, Bakeries for You. Select Add an Organisation. Here we'll enter the organisation name, Bakeries for You. In the classification field, we will add sole trader, and the trading name is the same as the organisation name, so we'll tick the box. We can add an address, enter the financial year end as the 31st of December. Let's add another organisation. We know Bakeries for You has another organisation under the name of Mary's Cupcakes. And select a registered society. Again, the trading name is the same as the organisation name. And currently, the business is not up and running, so we'll add them as a contact and select the organisation as a contact. Now we will add in an individual by selecting Add an Individual. Enter the following information. We've been speaking to Peter Sheffield in this business, and we will enter the email address petesheffield@bakes.com. We can enter any additional information if we have it, and we'll keep him as the contact so we can get in touch with him. Now we've got these three records in the client records. Viewing the client screen in Sage for Accountants, you can view the client details and manage their subscription by scrolling down, and it's possible to switch to another client in the folder by selecting the client on the left-hand side, and then view their details separately. You can simply go back to the client list and then view and edit another folder. Within a client's record, select a client, you can edit contacts and clients, and edit and add comments. delete the contact or delete the folder entirely. You have the ability to change the status of a contact to a client. Another great brand new feature in Sage for Accountants is adding comments, which allows you to track actions and tasks to manage deadlines. The comments tile is a great feature under the client records to add or edit comments, to update a colleague, or to leave reminders for themselves. These comments are date and time stamped. So let's add in a title, customer query, and enter the details of the discussion that have happened with the client. The customer wanted to speak about Sage Business Cloud Payroll as they're adding more employees next month. We are looking to evolve this feature by adding a collaboration tool. For accountants and bookkeepers, we've included Sage Accounting, Payroll and Compliance, all free of charge. To view this, select the company owner, Manage Business Account, Business Subscription, and you'll be able to see the subscription. To access the free services, hover over the app switcher on the top left-hand side. I'm now going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a subscription in a few clicks. To access a subscription for accounting, payroll and compliance online, in the client record, select Manage Subscriptions. Here you can see we can add any subscription in, so let's add Accounting Standard. And on the right hand side, we can see the prices and how many points we've collected. I'll be going through the rewards later. As you can see, this is another great feature. The more you buy, the greater your discount. Once this has been saved, in the client record, you'll see that the subscription tile has Accounting Standard. Therefore, we can access the license through this tile and open reports. Here is where you can get work done for your clients by accessing the subscriptions. Back in the client list, we can select our client and launch the product from here. In the client record, you'll be able to amend the subscription, we can add in payroll for a 10-employee license and select Update Pricing. Now you can see the Payroll 10 transaction being included in the monthly cost and accumulates more points. If you wanted to cancel a subscription, select Cancel on Accounting Standard. And if you need to reactivate the license, this can be done within 6 months, but any reactivation would be done at RRP without any promotions. Now you can see that the Payroll 10 has been added and we can access the product from here. Sage for Accountants advises you spend more time advising your clients and adding values instead of spending time on admin. Another feature in Sage for Accountants to get work done for clients is being able to invite users and manage their permissions by hovering over the practice name and clicking Manage Users. In this screen, you'll be presented with all users and their roles. To add a new user, select Add User. Enter the user's email address, and select roles and permissions for your users. You'll only see the practice under the business. You'll be able to select predefined roles, and we will select Administrator. We can view the roles and what they mean by selecting View Role. Finally, you'll be able to choose whether you would like the user to manage subscriptions for all businesses and simply add user. Now we will understand rewards in Sage for Accountants. Get the most out of your learning and rewards. Your dedicated Sage team. With Sage for Accountants, you're instantly part of the team. Your practice success manager and enablement specialist will be introduced to you on day one and will be there every step of the way with support, advice and guidance. Onboarding Centre. Whether you choose to self-serve or get in touch for more help, our dedicated hub will be there with everything you need in one place, from onboarding guides to quick start videos and more. New learning pathways. Our expert learning pathways ensure that you can step through Sage for Accountants learning as you go. Our learning helps you solve your everyday problems. We focus on your workflow rather than our products. Easy access to Sage University. Access Sage University directly from Sage for Accountants with a single sign-on. Digital credentials. As you complete learning, get rewarded with digital badges that you can share on your social platforms and use to boost your directory profile listing. Discover Sage Champions. Discover and access Sage Champions directly from Sage for Accountants. Single sign-on coming soon. Complete challenges to achieve badges and earn rewards that you can redeem on the very same platform. You can view on screen our simple pricing model. In a nutshell, with Sage for Accountants, you pay per subscription with simple client pricing. For any new subscriptions you add, you'll earn Sage points. The more points you collect, the higher your practice discount and rewards you earn. The discount you earn will be applied across all your client subscriptions. Each time you purchase a subscription of Sage Accounting, Sage Payroll, or Sage Compliance for a client, you'll be able to earn Sage points for the practice. The more Sage points accumulated, the higher the level of discount is available. If a practice earns enough points to earn them a higher level of discount, they'll earn that discount for all clients moving forward, not just any new ones added. Sage points are awarded as follows. Accounting Start is 5 points. Accounting Standard is 10 points. Accounting Plus is also 10 points. For all of the tiers in payroll, you'd receive 10 points. Compliance for business would receive 1 point, and compliance for individuals or self-employed would receive 1 point. Now we can take a look at what will happen to our existing users on Partner Edition. Currently, not all features that are used in Partner Edition are live in Sage for Accountants, for example, the VAT Centre. You'll be scheduled for upgrade once the features you use in Partner Edition today are available in Sage for Accountants, which will be from spring 2022. We'll work with you to ensure you have all the information you need and keep you updated with timings and next steps via email. There's no need for you to sign up for Sage for Accountants just yet, as we will work with you ahead of this date to ensure you have everything you need. How will we support you? Here you can view information on how we can assist you further. We have a whole range of support available to you. Visit our brand new Sage for Accountants onboarding centre and find everything you need to know about the new platform in one place. This includes guides, videos, and webinars. Visit the Webinar Hub to browse and learn at your own pace on your own computer. This is accessible 24/7 and from anywhere. Make the most of client management by reading the Getting Started guide in the Help Centre. If you have any further questions regarding training and webinars, email the education team at accountant.education@sage.com. Contact your Practice Success Manager for any assistance on 0191 479 5999. Let's find out what's coming soon. So what's coming soon? We are looking to bring exciting new features in client management. Learn how to use our software via Sage University, so we'll bring in an option where you can access the training for free, all from within Sage for Accountants. We're working towards adding in multi-client import, where you can import a batch of clients into the system in just a few clicks. Accept invitations from clients already using Sage Business Cloud, Xero, QBO, and either link into existing client records or automatically create new ones. Next, as many of you are aware, Auto Entry and the VAT Centre. We'd like to bring the integration of those into client management, as this will make it faster for you to bring in all of your invoices and statements. We'll also be bringing Sage Champions with direct access from Sage for Accountants. Complete challenges to achieve badges and earn rewards that you can redeem on the very same platform. We've been working with accountants and bookkeepers through an early adopter programme, and here's some feedback. So that concludes our webinar for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.